Everyone, welcome back to our channel where veggies meet wellness. Today we are going to talk about a very common but very powerful herb called coriander leaves, also known as dhania. Almost every Indian kitchen uses dhania, but do we really know how healthy it is? Let's understand everything about dhania in a very simple way. So, what is dhania? Dhania is the fresh green leaf of the coriander plant. Dhania is mainly used as a garnishing herb and also as a flavor enhancer. It has soft green leaves, thin stems, and a fresh, pleasant smell. Both the leaves and soft stems are edible. Origin of dhania. Dhania originally comes from the Mediterranean region and Middle East. From there, it spread to India, Asia, and many other parts of the world. Today, dhania is grown and used almost everywhere because it grows easily, it is affordable, and it has many health benefits. Nutritional value of dhania. Dhania may look small, but it is rich in nutrients and very low in calories. It contains important vitamins and minerals like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, iron, calcium, potassium, dietary fiber. Dhania also contains antioxidants which protect our body from damage. Now let's understand how dhania helps our body. Dhania helps in digestion, reduces gas and bloating, improves appetite. Dhania may help regulate blood sugar levels, good for people managing diabetes when eaten in moderation. Dhania helps reduces bad cholesterol, supports healthy blood pressure. Vitamin C helps fight infections, strengthens the immune system. Antioxidants help keep skin healthy, may help reduce acne and irritation. Dhania is very easy to use and does not need cooking most of the time. Chop fresh dhania, sprinkle on dals, sabjis, curries and chaat. Blend dhania with mint, green chili, lemon and salt. Makes a healthy green chutney. In cooking, add dhania at the end of cooking. This keeps the flavor fresh and nutrients intact. Soak coriander seeds overnight. Drink the water in the morning for digestion support. Taste and aroma. Dhania has a fresh, slightly citrus taste, a pleasant, refreshing aroma. This is why it enhances the taste of food, makes simple dishes more powerful. Fun facts about dhania. Both coriander leaves and seeds come from the same plant. Leaves are used fresh, seeds are used dried. A small amount can change the taste of the whole dish. Used in Indian, Mexican, Middle Eastern, and Asian cuisines. Dhania is small in size but big in health benefits. Using fresh dhania daily can improve digestion, support immunity, and add freshness to your meals. A perfect example of where veggies truly meet wellness. This is all for today. We'll meet you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy and be happy. Bye bye.